Don't worry, Feather Nugget, I got you.
Okay, but is this a hug or a taste test?
POV, you're an outdoor cat with violent thoughts and a glass wall apiece.
One day, this glass will disappear. The sky will open.
POV, you're just trying to nap, and the local feathered menace won't shut up. POV, a tiny puffball thinks you're its mom, and now you're emotionally unavailable. POV, the bird is clingy. You're hungry, but mom said it's your brother.
Not food. Not food.